Here we will write a program to find HCF of two numbers using recursion. So first we will define function find HCF with two parameters. First we will check value of b is 0 or not. So if b equal to 0, we will return a. Else we will return find HCF b comma a mod b. Since we are using recursion here, so we will call the function itself until the condition satisfies. Here we will call the function recursively with b and the remainder when a is divided by b. Then outside the function we will accept two numbers from the user. So fnum equal to int input enter first number, and in snum we will accept second number. So int input enter second number, and we will call the function find HCF. Since this function is returning only value, we will call this function in print statement. So print, we will write message also. So HCF of fnum and snum is comma, we will call the function. So find HCF, and we will pass fnum and snum as a parameter, and we will execute this, and we will pass the values as 23 and 69. It will print HCF of 23 and 69 is 23.